Hi everyone, this is EugeneOLoughlin and welcome to my series of short how-to videos. In this video we're going to learn how to select random samples in R. So let's say you want to take a small sample of data from a much larger data set. We'll need to learn how to be able to select samples at random from the larger data set. So let me create a data set of 100 numbers here. I'm just going to create a vector called data and assign it the values in a series from 1 to 100. Let me run that. And let me display the contents of this vector, print data. I could have just said data, but I want to do print for clarity here. And we can see in the console that we have 100 numbers. So supposing now I want to select 10 numbers at random from those 100 numbers there. So I'm using numbers 1 to 100 to illustrate how this works. And the way we do this is with the sample function. Now you can search through help, type in sample, and you would find some information about random sampling, descriptions of this function, and some of the parameters and usages and examples of this function. So if you haven't used it before, it's always worthwhile taking a look at the help section in RStudio. So the parameters in my sample are, first of all, I need to tell it what data I want to sample from. So my vector is called data. And I want to select 10 numbers at random. So I'm going to use the size parameter, size equals 10. And so let me run that. We can see then that we have 10 numbers selected at random from the 100 numbers. If I run it again, and let me run it a third time, you can see that I'm at random. I'm getting different numbers each time. The basis of a random sample is that any number in the data set has an equal chance of being selected. That makes it random, and this is something you might want to do when you want to eliminate bias when you are sampling from a larger data set. So now this simple sampling technique here is called sampling without replacement. So this means that no number can be selected more than once. So what if I want to do a sampling with replacement? So I'm going to take the same piece of code, sample, the name of the vector. I'm going to keep my size equal to 10. And I'm going to add in another parameter here called replace. And by default, replace is false. So if I want sampling, which is what's called with replacement, when I run this, what can happen is that some numbers can be selected more than once. So in this one here, we don't have any examples of that. So let me run the line again. Here we have, the number 96 has been selected twice. So sampling without replacement allows us for any number to be selected more than once. So be careful there with the replace parameter, depending on what it is that you want to do. We can also use this with characters as well. So I have in my clipboard here, I'm going to copy and paste in some code. And in this code here, what we can see is we're using the sample function again, and then the combine operator C, or the combine function C, to combine these 10 names. So I've got 10 names spread over 2 lines here. And in this case, let's suppose that I want to select one person for a prize or one person for a presentation at random using this code. So here I'm specifying size is equal to 1. So I'm going to select any one of these 10 names here. So no other names are possible, and each name is surrounded by inverted commas and separated by a single comma. So let me run this piece of code, and we can see out of the list of 10 that Ali is the prize winner. If I run it again, we can see this time Adriana is the prize winner, and so on. We can also use the size parameter to change the number of items selected. So if I go back to line 7 and change 10 to say down to 5, if I run that, I will get 5 numbers at random selected. So you can choose here, even if I want to do something like 25 numbers, run that piece of code, I'm going to get 25 numbers selected at random. If I run that again, I could get different numbers being selected. So it's all being done at random. I'm just going to change that back to 10. So you can do this, run this code, like you can read in variables from a file and select items at random from them. So supposing you have stock values or stock IDs and you want to select some at random for quality assurance processes, you can use a piece of code like this, so read the data in and use the sample function to select data at random from your variables, specify whatever size you want. So I recommend that you try this out on much, much larger data sets. So that's how you select random samples in R. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for your attention.